My name is David. Recently retired last year, and I had refractive lens replacement surgery, which has been a complete success, and it's been one of the best things that I've ever had done. My eyesight was, particularly for reading, was being a bit of a struggle. So I ended up wearing two different contact lenses, one for distance, one for reading, and it really wasn't working. So I started to research this procedure, and it sounded like it could do the business for me. So I happened to be speaking to an eye consultant and said I was interested in getting this work done, and he immediately, without hesitation, said, "I'd recommend you go to see Jonathan Ross." So I did a bit of research on him, saw that he was well respected within the industry, and noticed that he was connected to Laser Vision Scotland. So I thought, right, this is something that I'm very, very interested in. The actual procedure on the day was, you were made to feel very relaxed, had a cup of coffee, put some drops in your eyes, and that gave a sort of numbness. So there was no need for any needles, and which was something that I had a concern about, obviously, but I was reassured at the time that no, there won't be anything like that. Got taken into theatre, really high-tech sort of theatre, made to feel really relaxed. All the people around the theatre were highly professional, there's no question of that, and it made you feel you were in the hands of good people. And the operation itself was very, very comfortable, no feeling whatsoever. 10 minutes later, it was done, taken back out, nice cup of coffee, some sandwiches, given some drops to take, procedure over. Had no after effects whatsoever. And here I am 6 weeks later with 20/20 vision, the eyesight of a 20-year-old apparently, and I can see for miles. It's like 3D. The definition that you see is absolutely remarkable. And I'm a golfer, don't play particularly well, and it hasn't improved my golf swing, or however, I can now see the trajectory of the ball, whereas before, when it went up in the sky, I really struggled to see it. So from that perspective, it's been great as well.